Universally useful, strong, and easy to install, the WHR cavity dowel for worth metric screws is a real help in interior construction work. The galvanized steel anchor provides a large load application area. Quick and easy to fit, insert the anchor and fix the dowel with the strap. Now open the strap and tear it off, and you can begin screwing in your component right away. The dowels can support weight immediately. Practical fitting aid. Worth's WHR cavity dowel is versatile, quickly and easily installed with no waiting time.